we divide 871 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 7 and it is 37. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 871 divided by 5 is 174 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.